it's Della here, and today I'm going to be making a birthday cake for Bob Marley. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 325 and grease your 9x13 pan. In a medium saucepan, add 1 cup of butter, add 1 cup of water, and a 1/2 cup cocoa. Bring to a boil for 30 seconds and set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. In a third bowl, whisk together 2 eggs. In your egg bowl, whisk together 1 teaspoon baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla and 1 cup brown sugar. Now mix in the chocolate mixture with the flour mixture. Now mix in your egg and brown sugar mixture. Last, mix in a 1/2 cup sour cream. Do not overmix.
Go.
Put mixture into your greased baking pan and bake for 40 minutes. Now for the frosting. Cream together 1.5 cups butter, add 5 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup whipping cream, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Happy birthday, Bob. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.